Welcome back ladies and gentlemen to our channel. The 2023 Toyota Crown is a unique sedan that blends luxury, technology, and hybrid efficiency. It replaces the Avalon in Toyota's lineup and features a bold design with a raised stance, making it stand out from traditional sedans. Here are its full details. Toyota Crown 2023 Overview. Body type: full-size luxury sedan with a slightly SUV-like stance. Platform: TNGAK Toyota New Global Architecture. Drive options: AWD standard on all trims. Trim levels: XLE, Limited, Platinum. Performance and powertrain. Toyota offers two hybrid powertrains for the 2023 Crown, one standard hybrid XLE and Limited trims. Engine: 2.5L 4-cylinder with Toyota hybrid system. Power output: 236 HP combined. Transmission: ECVT electronically controlled continuously variable transmission. Drivetrain: electronic on-demand all-wheel drive AWD. Fuel efficiency: approximate 41 mpg city, 42 mpg highway. 2 hybrid max platinum trim, performance oriented. Engine: 2.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder with hybrid max system. Power output: 340 HP combined. Transmission: 6-speed automatic. Drivetrain: full-time electronic AWD. Fuel efficiency: approximate 29 mpg combined. 0 to 60 miles per hour, around 5.7 seconds. Exterior features: sleek and bold design, fastback-like silhouette with a raised ride height. Wheel options: XLE, 19-inch alloy wheels. Limited, 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. Platinum, 21-inch machined alloy wheels. Lighting: LED headlights, daytime running lights, and tail lights. Two-tone paint option, available on the Platinum trim. Interior features and comfort. Seating: XLE and Limited, Softex and fabric trimmed seats. Platinum, premium leather trimmed seats. Infotainment system: 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota Audio Multimedia. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 11-speaker JBL Premium Audio Limited and Platinum. Digital gauge cluster, 12.3-inch fully digital driver display. Other features: heated front seats standard. Heated and ventilated front seats Limited and Platinum. Heated rear seats Limited and Platinum. Panoramic sunroof Limited and Platinum. Dual zone climate control. Technology and safety. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Full-speed dynamic radar cruise control. Lane departure alert with steering assist. Lane tracing assist. Road sign assist. Automatic high beams. Additional safety features: blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Parking sensors with automatic braking. 360-degree camera Platinum trim. Advanced drive semi-autonomous driving on Platinum. Pricing: MSRP XLE, 39,950. Limited, 45,550. Platinum, 52,350. Prices may vary based on location and optional features. Final thoughts: the 2023 Toyota Crown is a stylish, high-tech, and fuel-efficient alternative to traditional sedans. It appeals to those looking for luxury, a raised driving position, and hybrid efficiency. The Platinum trim offers the most power and features but at a higher price. Would you like to compare it to any other models? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.